Hi, I'm in Kyoto, not far away from Imperial Palace. It's right here, and today is January 16, and this is the first flowering plants in 2020. Uh, Chimonanthus precox. Chimonanthus means winter flower in Greek, and precox is early, so it's early winter flower. Chimonanthus precox with beautiful odor. Sometimes you can recognize this odor from far away, like almost half-kilometer from the plant. So it started to flower like 1 week ago, and now it will more and more shrubs of Chimonanthus will flower. It's a deciduous plant. It loses its leaves long ago. Some leaves are actually stays here, like it's typical for shrubs, but most of leaves are gone, and it flowers without leaves, which is a very remarkable adaptation, because in that stage insect pollinators, which still able to be flying in the air, because temperature right now it's about plus 10 centigrade, so some insects can fly, and they will see flowers easily because leaves will not shade them, and they can see it from the long distance. So they flower without leaves, and beautiful odor also will attract these rare insects pollinators. So it is not only one interesting thing about Chimonanthus. Chimonanthus is a purely Chinese plant. Here in Japan, it's of course cultivated, but from very long time. So cultivated because of this winter flowering. And it belongs to the family Calicanthaceae, which is one of relics family of plants because it's very small and also close to older group of flowering plants like for magnolias. So it's very similar to magnolia, and you can see flowers of Chimonanthus have multiple petals like magnolia has, and fruits of all Calicanthaceae family and Chimonanthus are very remarkable. Some branches still have older brown fruits, and if you take the fruit out of the branch, you will see fruits are cup-shaped and seeds are located on the bottom of this cup. So this is very similar to rose hips. However, rose hips and fruits of Calicanthaceae are purely parallelly evolved, so they're independent, but they simply similar by their structure. So the whole family Calicanthaceae grows in East Asia, also in Australia, and in eastern North America. And this Chimonanthus is an East Asian plant which is frequently cultivated because of very early flowering. In January you can still see and smell its beautiful flowers. So this is a Kyoto, January 16. Thank you.